They enter your eye, they enter your eye. No closer, my guy. Open the eye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, let's make native stew together. Native stew a bang where they hit the right spot. You guys, so I put oil. Let's proceed. Man, not talk too much. I put oil for some my pots. Then the oil no bleach finish, so just kind of hot. Then I can add granite oil while they fry me to remain. So I add the granite oil finish. I still leave it make it hot some more. I no bleach. I used to leave make it. Then I put my onions. So I put my onions finish. Now I leave them. Make my onions fry. Now so the onions come begin they fry. Oh. You can hear the yigi yaga of my house, life of your mother. Boo. I'm so going to stir them. I was not stirring it. You can hear the noise. See, don't mind the noise and the background and the yigi yaga of my house. It's part of the motherhood life. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. This voiceover must continue. So I allow it to fry. Then I had my tin tomatoes. This tin tomatoes, it don't with this fridge. I wasn't supposed to put this tin tomatoes, but you know if it's spoil. Now I carry my half tin tomatoes where I get for a fridge. Now I put them inside. Nothing must waste in my house. So I use and remain when I cook jollof rice the other time. So I just put them for inside there. My guy, no, they know. I know fish shouts. So now I stir them. I was not stirring. My guy, yeah, bastard, no fish shout a bit. I really yigi yaga. So I was not stirring it. I allow it to fry. The tomatoes really fry shower. Can't have to fry. I can't stir. I don't know. I too like to the turn food, but when I manage it like that. But now tomatoes, now normal tin tomatoes. You know if you leave tin tomatoes for fire without the turner now. If not, it's gonna burn. So hence why I the turner like my life depend on it.
Hey, God, I'm big. Oh, Jesus.
So I still go back on up next, now I carry my tomatoes where I don't blend. Now I carry my tomatoes where I don't blend. Now I told her put. You guys, if you have watched to this moment, up to this moment, please hit the subscribe button. Now, what you still they wait for? It's free, guys. Subscribe. Mona no mind me. That wasn't me. It's free, guys. Please just hit the subscribe button at this point. Subscribe. So after I do have that one finish, I turn up. After I turn up finish, now I cover and make it boy, and I like to boy. You guys. Don't mind me, and I was cooking rice on the other gas, so you can see it. I was cooking rice on the other gas, so, because that was rice and beans. Then I added my seasoning. I'm just using seasoning cube, salt, and a lot of crayfish. I just use seasoning cube, salt, and plenty crayfish. Then I add my locust beans. We call it bori irum. So now put me to that locust beans. I know how that make I no lie. My girlfriend tell me say lie you man no make I blend that because she know they like her, so I just have to oblige to her. Sometimes things we do for friendship. So I just have to oblige. So now I tell her, say, guy, now you go blend this thing. If you blend and finish, now you go still wash the blender because me I don't through with blending. So she went ahead to blend the locust beans. Then I add meat water inside the blender. They blend that together. This is why the thing be like say it dey creamy, they buttery you. Now locust beans with what they call themselves meat water. Now I put for inside a boy's logo. Now I put for inside blender. I can't blend that together because I don't want to put more water. I don't want water too much, so I can't put inside the blender. Now with the blender, that's why I blend say they buttery and milky. So I turn put and I was stirring it. She last it because normal she they pick locust beans come up for inside food, but this one she shall not see anything pick at the end of the day. So but small seeds still there, you know see. Small seed still. So I turn now. Still not ready. Vade. Vade. After then, I carry my meat. Those meat was proving stubborn to carry. Now I shall carry them. I begin turn them. Now I turn the meat. The meat they don't want turn easily. I shall chook my plate inside. I shall turn. You start to say I turn the meat inside. Now I turn the meat inside. Man, no let that plate. I later go lick that plate. So I lick her because still 9 days, but I lick her. I lick her behind camera. So now I turn. I see my stew now. Hey, see my stew now. Like say this native stew need to enter your eye. See my stew. See if you test this stew without too much. Like I don't do too much to achieve this. So I just use just 3 ingredients. I be 4 ingredients. Locust beans. Locust beans, crayfish. You want to tell
Crayfish.
mangi and salt. Now to achieve this stew, guys. Not crayfish, but not crayfish though. Not crayfish, not be crayfish. Guys, see my stew. See my stew. I think I can't do the last turn, the last checkup for the stew. Hey, see stew now. You self listen, not just the I have this stew too much. Forget it. If I open restaurant for this country, I will say.
Chef B.
I will say. Guys, thank you for watching.